you know? When you eat food, what's that? Spoon and garpu. In English as fork. Fork. What is it? Huh? Healer, ya. Menara. Right. Right. That's it. When we plant grapes, we need the tools that I show you, okay?
Yes.
Understand?
Understood.
Follow Mr. Budi, but please be nice. Still. Water. Also some leaf, grass, leaf, sand, etc. We mix together. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, understand?
Mr. Budi.
Yes.
And good.
And also, very good, yeah. Okay, Mister already prepare many of them. We will practice to make a hole. On it, left on it. Okay, get one. Alhamdulillah. If you want to make it deeper, answer. After that, you pull up. Nah.
Wow. So many.
That's it. Again. Sometimes soil is very hard. We need something else which is easier. We can use this one by doing like this way. Put inside. And then we push it down. Just slowly, not too hard. As deep as now. Before it's only right here, right? Now it's already in here. Okay? Turn it up. Turn over.
It's perfect.
Okay, understand?
Wow,
Stay here.
Stop.
Okay.
This is not game.
Yeah, okay. Stand.
Understand.
Can help someone to move just a little? Just a little? More, just a little. Okay. This is not enough, everyone. We still need to make this stay from the sun. The sun is very hot, right? We must cover this soil with some, let's say, some grass. What did we do? Yeah. What do you need? We need hole. You need a hole on the ground, right? And then, okay, everyone. Any questions so far? Yes, Jera? How long? Maybe around 8 months.
In Augustus.
Yes.
Mr. Budi.
That is jati.
It's okay.
Pohon jati. Believe it this one. Yes. Terus with hamdalah and kafaratul majlis. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa